What is happening, YouTube? It's Matt Faircloth. Welcome to the Mentorship Monday program. My name is Matt. My company is called the DeRosa Group, and we're a real estate company dedicated to transforming lives through real estate. Now, this is our YouTube channel. Hope you guys like it. If you guys like what we do on YouTube, you want to click that subscribe button. You want to click the like button on this video, and you want to leave a comment below. Aside from that, this program is all about you guys submitting questions to helpme@DeRosaGroup.com. That is helpme@DeRosaGroup.com. And we'll get your questions. We'll pick out the awesome ones and we'll answer them right here on the YouTube channel for you and everyone else to learn from. Now, today's question is a good one. This is about LoopNet. Okay. And so for those of you guys that don't know what LoopNet is, I'll give a very brief summary of it. Okay. LoopNet is the version of like the MLS. The MLS is the multiple listing service, and the MLS and all these things, LoopNet and Trulia, Zillow, are a means for people to broadcast things for sale. That's it. Trulia, Zillow are a place for real estate for sale, and LoopNet is also a place for real estate and also businesses for sale. So for those that want to broadcast those things for sale, whether that's a commercial strip center or a office building or an apartment complex, whatever it is, they can list it on LoopNet, and those looking to buy those things can find them. Brokers use LoopNet, like realtors for hire use it. For sale by owner people use LoopNet as well. It's a division of CoStar, which is a real estate data service that sells data to people. So if you really want to know a lot about commercial real estate data, sales and real estate taxes and ownership data, all that stuff, that's CoStar. And their sales division that helps people sell and buy stuff is LoopNet. LoopNet doesn't take a commission per se. There's just a listing service. So people just pay a flat fee to put their stuff up there. What's good about LoopNet is it has allowed a lot of people to see into a lot of different markets. If you're looking to buy anything commercial, whether that's a business or a commercial piece of real estate, you can use LoopNet to look anywhere. I could be sitting in my home in Pennsylvania and look in Honolulu, Hawaii for properties for sale. It's awesome. What an awesome world we live in. The problem is that LoopNet, because it's so wide, it allows a lot of the deals get picked over. And so if a good deal makes its way onto LoopNet, it will likely not stay there for long. That's the story that people have about LoopNet, is that it is not a place that deals live for a very long time, because why would they if everybody in the whole world can see them and you can set up search parameters? You get an email or a text message when something that meets your parameters comes onto the market, and you can jump right in and be Johnny on the spot or Jane on the spot and pick it up. That's the good and the bad about it. I mean, I still think that deals happen there. We own an apartment building we bought 4 years ago, and I found it on LoopNet. It does happen. Well, here's some guidance I want to give with you guys. And this question is driven by Beth Anne. Thank you, Beth Anne, by the way, for submitting your question to help me at DeRosaGroup.com. Beth Anne found, of all things, a business opportunity, a busy beach restaurant that she's looking to buy, which is exciting. God bless. I'm not so much a busy beach restaurant, maybe a connoisseur. If you buy it, I'll come see you. You got to buy me a free burger and I'll fly all the way down there to come visit you in your restaurant. But I'm not a restaurant owner, so I wouldn't be able to look at the numbers for you and tell you. What's interesting though is there's not very much data, and that's what's interesting about LoopNet is this listing that you sent me, Beth Anne. There's really not a whole lot of information in the listing. It's just, here's the location of the restaurant, here's what the restaurant serves, and this is the asking price, and that. So LoopNet, guys, is intended for you to get more. It's intended to get you interested, but you can't do a go no go off of LoopNet. What you guys should use LoopNet for is a means to network with sellers and brokers. So what I do, and what we did at the very beginning, and what we still do when we're looking for deals in new markets we're not connected in, and what you guys should do if you're looking to buy multifamily, buy business, like my new friend Beth Anne is looking to do, who's going to buy me a cheeseburger one day in the restaurant that she buys. If you're looking to do one of those things, expand into new markets, new territories, or get your name out there, what you guys want to do is to use LoopNet to network. Don't poo-poo a deal just because it's a bad deal, right? Yeah, I said poo-poo, so what? So if it's a 4% cap rate deal, don't just say, oh, I'm not going to call the broker on that deal because it's overpriced. Everything's overpriced these days. Call the broker, get to know the broker. What else are you selling? Tell me about that market you're in down there in, Albuquerque, New Mexico, or Austin, Texas, whatever. Tell me about that market. Tell me about what do you have coming in the pipeline? I want to invest there, and I either have capital or I know how to get capital because I read an awesome book on raising private capital that I can apply the principles thereof into buying real estate in that market. Mr. Broker, Mrs. Broker, use it to network with brokers. Number one, don't discount the fact that there still could be good deals there, because just because someone's asking all the way up here for their property might not mean they might not take something. So, express your interest. Well, I can't get it for your price, but if you could do it for this, I could do it, or whatever. Don't be afraid to make an offer, but also be intrigued and open network with them. LoopNet is a phenomenal tool for those looking to put deals together to get connected. You guys should look at LoopNet like Facebook, like a means to get like-minded interests together, not as a place to go broker things, because it's just too easy to get things on there. It's too easy to overprice stuff, because LoopNet's not going to say, no, Matt Faircloth, you can't sell that property for that much on LoopNet. We think that's too much money. You can put things out for whatever you want on there. And it's kind of the wild, wild west in some ways. So use it for networking, use it for looking for deals, but more importantly, use it to get yourself connected to people. Beth Anne, for your deal, this is an opportunity for you to call the broker, ask them for a profit and loss. A restaurant like you got there probably trades for, I'd say, 4 to 5 times earnings. So if it's earning 100,000, if they're asking, I think 200, according to this, that means they're probably earning maybe a quarter of that, so 50K a year in earnings. I'd be curious what you come up with what they're earning for that business you got there. More to come on that. Hopefully you keep us in the loop on how you do with your business you're looking to buy, Beth Anne. That's what I got, guys, for LoopNet. Get on there right now after we're talking here. Go to loopnet.com, LoopNet.com. Set up a profile for yourself and get on there and start surfing and meet some brokers, meet some sellers for people. And then maybe it's not that deal they have listed, but maybe the next one they're going to put out there that you can connect with them on. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great and profitable week.